Good morning. This is MetLoop meteorologist Tom Crenshaw with your weather outlook for January 20th. Currently, there are a number of areas we're carefully monitoring. First, the frontal boundary ring that moved across the southeast yesterday is losing its organization and strength. There's a line of precipitation extending from North Carolina into Minnesota. This is the system that brought relatively warm and moist air from the Gulf into the southeast and spawned a number of severe weather events yesterday, to include tornadoes in Mississippi. Next, there is a low pressure system that's beginning to strengthen the southern plains. This feature will move northeast throughout the day, and the cold front will extend down into Texas by this evening. The jet stream combined with a low pressure system and a weak frontal boundary will create more elevated severe weather potential for the Gulf Coast from Texas into northwest Florida and the Atlantic seaboard over the weekend. Last is the continued onshore flow bringing precipitation over California. Copious amounts of moisture are being brought into California by the jet stream. This weather setup is being fed by a strong jet stream that has brought a continual flow of moisture into the U.S. West Coast for the last few days. Several inches of rain were recorded south of San Francisco this morning, as well as reports of small hail within the city itself. There's continued potential for strong storms, to include tornadic activity along the West Coast for today, specifically over areas of Southern California. Areas of locally heavy precipitation will continue to impact California and the mountains, and then move into Arizona and New Mexico overnight. The jet stream is projected to organize and strengthen over the next 3 days, and as this occurs, a fast-moving low-pressure system will form and move from Southern California all the way across the southern tier into the Atlantic seaboard by Monday. This low pressure will bring another heightened severe weather threat to the Gulf Coast and southeast Atlantic states for Sunday and into Monday. Increased potential for tornadic activity will accompany the storm and impact Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, and Georgia specifically early Sunday. Additionally, heavy rain and strong convective winds will be an issue for the Gulf Coast over the weekend as well. The next several days are going to bring a number of weather challenges for the U.S. from California to the eastern seaboard, so please stay informed by visiting us at metloop.com and our Facebook page as well, and we will provide frequent updates. So thank you for watching and have a great day.